Are you all excited to do a focus experiment right now to understand why focus is so important and so powerful? Great. Awesome. So just it we'll be doing it just for a minute. So those of you who are driving and listening or working on some machine or something that is critical or something, then you don't have to do this experiment, just you can listen. Otherwise, rest of you, I believe all of you are at home or somewhere where you are comfortable and you can focus on it. So just follow my voice. When I will ask you to close your eyes, and whatever I ask you to do, just do it. Do not go away from what I am asking you to do. Do not open your eyes midway. Do not do anything else except what I am asking you to do. So let's start the focus experiment. I want all of you to sit comfortably wherever you are and close your eyes for a moment. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Once again, inhale. Exhale. Now open your eyes. Now open your eyes and look around. Wherever you are sitting at this point, look around and observe, note down in your mind, what are the things that are black in colors? Yes. Which are the things that are in front of you, which are of black color? Take a look around, wherever, all over, everything that is in front of you, from right hand side till the left hand side. Look around and make a note of everything that is black in color. Note it down in your mind. Do not use any pen or copy. Note it down in your mind. Now, H, you must have observed everything that is there. Even you can look at the roof and on the floor. Now you close your eyes. It's time for you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now try to recall all those things that you have noted down in your mind, all those things that you have observed in front of you in the room, everything that was black in color. Keep your eyes closed and recall how many things you can able to recall. While recalling, while keeping your eyes closed, even you can count in your fingers, like how many things you are able to recall, which are black in color. Now, I'm sure you must have recalled most of them right now. Keep your eyes closed. And while keeping your eyes closed, try to recall the things that are of white color. Yes, anything that is in the color white that you have observed before closing your eyes. Do not open your eyes at this point. Try to recall anything that is in white color. And while keeping your eyes closed, when you are recalling, try to count how many things you are able to recall that is white in color, that you have seen in front of you before closing your eyes. Now you can open your eyes and look around and see how many things are there in white color. How many things are there in front of you that are of color white? And how many of you could able to recall while keeping your eyes closed? Is there anything, something very obvious in front of you, like a big curtain or a big wall which is white, or a big sofa which is white, or something which is really, really big and white, but you could not able to recall it? So the experiment was a mind-blowing experiment for you. If this focus experiment was a mind-blowing experiment for you, Write in the chat, mind blowing, mind blowing. Now, this is what happening in our life. Many times we are so focused on the blockages, so focused on the dark energies, so focused on the negativities that we are not ready to see the light in front of us. We are not ready to see the light that is coming towards us. We are not ready to see that we can even see the light and that is in front of us. I'm so happy that it's an awakening moment for so many of you. It's such a profound experience for so many of you that it gave you that understanding that why you need to shift your focus. And this experiment is the reason why you have to understand that why you have to focus, why you have to shift your focus. Because when I ask you to focus on everything that is black in front of you, and remember, when we are talking about positive or negative, it has nothing to do with black or white. When we are talking about positive and negativity, it's just an experiment. So the way I ask you to observe and look at everything that is black, same way, what is happening when you are all the time you are watching news, all the time you are focused on negative news, all the time you are focused on the negative outcome, on the stress and anxiety and complaint of people around you, maybe in real life, maybe in TV, maybe in social media. What is happening? You are stuck with only negativity. You are focused on only those black objects that are in front of you. Even if there are positive things are there, even if there are good things are there, you are not able to focus on them because you are so engrossed in that focusing on that negative side. But when you shift, when you start looking that there is light in front of you, there is darkness and also there is light. So when you focus on the light, when you start looking for the light, that's when you start finding it. Now, today you have to ask yourself that where am I focusing? Where am I focusing? If you are focused on blockages, pain, suffering, illness, health issues, negative news, you have to disconnect. You have to disconnect from as many negativity as possible, and you can able to shift your energy and focus. Even like while healing yourself, when you were COVID positive or someone close to you were COVID positive or having any health issue, people who can able to heal themselves from any kind of health issues while going through treatment and processes are the people who keep telling themselves that, yes, it's possible. I know that I'm going to be out of it. I know that I'm going to be out of it and I am getting better. And they do not invest their time and energy and focusing listening to news or what is negative in front of them. They focus on that I know that I am getting healed and I am focusing on that. How many of you were during this time reminding yourself that your focus should be in healing? And if you are not doing it, then it's time for you to shift that energy that, yes, I want to heal.